Ever feel like you're running in slow motion while everyone else is zooming past? Yeah, me too. Well, not anymore. Today, I'm giving you real, no-nonsense tips to make you run faster. Not theory, not magic, just stuff that actually works. Subscribe for more mind-blowing facts. Rapid Facts Quickies. Step 1. Look, running isn't just flailing your legs and hoping for the best. If you're stomping the ground like a baby elephant, we need to talk. Small, quick strides. Don't overstride like you're in an 80s action movie chase scene. More steps equals more speed. Slight forward lean. Not like you're bowing to royalty, just enough to let gravity help you. Arms at 90 degrees. No chicken winging. Power comes from your arms too. Land on your midfoot. Heel striking is like slamming the brakes every step. Stop sabotaging yourself. Fix these, and suddenly, you'll feel lighter and faster. No rocket boosters needed. Step 2. Fast legs. Nah, mate. It's all about strong legs. The more power you put into the ground, the faster you'll be propelled forward. Squats and lunges. No, not just to look good. Strong legs equals powerful strides. Box jumps and plyometrics. Train your muscles to explode off the ground like a rocket. Hill sprints. Sprinting uphill feels like torture, but when you go back to flat ground, you'll feel like the Flash. This is a secret sauce. Don't skip it. Step 3. If you always jog at the same comfy pace, guess what? You'll stay slow. We need to wake up your fast-twitch muscle fibers. Sprint, rest, repeat. 30-second all-out sprint, 1 minute easy jog. Repeat 5 to 10 times. Fartlek training, fancy name, but simple. Mix fast and slow speeds randomly. Dash 100m max effort sprints. Go hard, then recover fully. No half effort here. You don't get faster by just running more. You get faster by running faster. Step 4. You wouldn't build a house on weak foundations, right? Your feet are your foundation, and they need training too. Jump rope. If boxers do it, you should too. It makes your feet quicker. Barefoot training strengthens foot muscles and improves balance. Single leg balancing drills. Stability equals efficiency. Don't skip footwork. You're not a toddler learning to walk. Step 5. You can have the fastest legs in the world, but if you breathe like a panic fish out of water, you're going nowhere. Breathe deep, not shallow. Use your diaphragm, not just your chest. Sleep 7 to 9 hours. Muscles rebuild when you rest. Sleep deprived equals slow. Hydrate, mate. Even mild dehydration slows you down. You can't out-train bad recovery. Treat your body right, alright. So here's the deal. If you just lace up and run the same slow jog every time, don't expect magic. Speed isn't something you're born with. It's something you build. And now, you got the exact blueprint to do it. Now, the only thing left, take action. Don't just watch, train, test these methods, and see the results for yourself. Let me know in the comments. Which tip surprised you the most? Smash that like button if you're ready to run faster. And don't forget to subscribe for more no-nonsense training tips. Now go train. Or, keep getting overtaken by someone in flip-flops. Your call.